Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to analyze weekly goal trading, analyze for your next week goal trading. So last week video I have mentioned that price will reach 1950 level and my target achieved. So price has reached 1950 above level 1960 in last week. So that's the accurate analysis of goal trading. So you can join with my accurate goal analysis signals telegram, link is below for get the profit from the goal trading. So this is the picture now. Price is 1955. This is the 4-hour chart goal. So this is the pattern was created in downside. This is the left shoulder and this is the head and this is the right shoulder. This is the famous reversal pattern, head and shoulder, and price continue to the reversal to the upside. So that's the technical picture that price has created last week. So this is the picture technically I have mentioned last week video. So let's move the economic data, what is going on next week. So I am in Forex practice website, so you can see 12th last week, 12th July, that's the CPI data of USA. So inflation report has dropped to 3%. That's the huge drop that the Fed, American Central Bank, expected 3.1% and dropped to 3%. So Fed's inflation goal is 2%. Now current inflation rate is 3%. So inflation dropped to the below target is 3.1%. So that is the interest rate decisions in Fed Watch Tool website. You can see the 26th FOMC meeting in this month, July 26th. So 96% probability, almost 100% probability to the interest rate hike in 25 BPA. So Fed can be pause interest rate again because of inflation has dropped to the too much 3%. So 25 BPS interest rate hike already sentiment to the market. If Fed will be hike interest rate again 25 BPS, gold not get huge demand, not good demand for gold because of market already sentiment 96% probability already sentiment to the this interest rate hike. So if Fed will be interest rate hiking 26 FOMC meeting but not good demand for dollar, so because of market already sentiment this interest rate hike, so Fed can be pause the interest rate because of inflation drop to the 3%. If they pause interest rate 5.25 again, dollar sell off, depreciate again, and gold can be demand again 1980 above. That's my second target. So this is the economic data picture is currently have with the CPI data report and interest rate report in 26th July. That is the more volatile economic events in this month. So this is the picture I have with the economic data US dollar. So let's see what is the technical analysis for your next week goal trading. So this is the level price has reached, this is the resistance level price has reached last week 1960 it's 1960 level. So this I can see this is type of pattern price will create. I am going to the 1 hour chart for your clear picture. So I am seeing this is the this type of pattern price can create. This is the it's like a bullish flag pattern price can create in next week. So I am hoping this type of continuation and this type of pattern can be create. Price can be this type of ranging and drop to the above side, upside to the continuation. So that's I am seeing pattern price can create pattern like this type of pattern. This is called bullish flag pattern and this type of pattern can be create and go to the upside, broke to the upside again, and continuation upside again. So that's the I am seeing technically picture next week. So if price can be collect to the liquidity, this is this type of collection, and go to the upside again like this. So that's the I am seeing next week. So I am again go to the 4-hour chart. So I am seeing price can be reached. My next target is 1980. So this is the target, 1980. This is the target level. So I am hoping create this type of bullish black pattern and break to the upside and continuation to the upside. 1980 is the my next level targets. If price can be collect to the liquidity in below side, so go to the upside this 1940 like that level and collect the liquidity and create to the upside to the level 1980 is the my next target in gold. So that is the technical picture I have with the next week. So this is the pattern price can be created in this type of bullish flag pattern is created price. This is the bullish flag pattern, continuation is the upside. So you can get the buy opportunity next week also. So get the trade with the smaller time frame confirmation and money management as well. You can join with my Telegram link for accurate gold signals with analysis. So thank you very much.